On today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm showing you how to lower SHBG to increase free testosterone levels, as well as how to test to see if you have normal, high, or low levels. So my goal with every video I create is to break down complicated health and fitness topics into simple, easy to understand tips, so you're not just learning, but you're actually walking away with clear, actionable steps to help you live lean with more energy, confidence, and vitality. And to be respectful of your time, I've included video timestamps to each question in the section below. So which is more important, free testosterone or total testosterone? So when analyzing testosterone levels, it's crucial to distinguish between total testosterone and free testosterone. So total testosterone measures all testosterone in your bloodstream, both bound and unbound. However, free testosterone is the unbound form and the biologically active type available for your body's functions. So as men age, free testosterone tends to decline, partly due to increased SHBG, which is sex hormone-binding globulin, which binds and inactivates testosterone. So for an accurate testosterone assessment, it's important to measure both total and free testosterone levels to fully understand your hormone health. So if your SHBG levels are too high, your testosterone might be useless. So sex hormone-binding globulin is a protein that binds to testosterone hormone, thus making it inactive. So when SHBG is too high, less free testosterone is available for muscle growth, fat loss, energy, and libido. Giddy. So even though your total testosterone levels look normal on a blood test, high SHBG levels may leave you feeling weak, sluggish, and struggling with low motivation. Think your testosterone levels are fine? If you're not testing SHBG, you might be missing the full picture. So to check your SHBG levels, you need a simple blood test. So I track my total testosterone, my free testosterone, and SHBG levels with a quick blood test from today's video sponsor, LabCorp On Demand. So get 20% off your test when you use coupon code LIVELEAN at the link on the screen or in the first link in the description below. So most standard testosterone tests only measure total testosterone, but what really matters is free testosterone, which is the amount your body can actually use. So after my test, I received my blood test results from LabCorp within 24 hours inside their app. So this test will let you know if high SHBG is stealing your testosterone, so then you can use the strategies in this video to free it up. Curious if your SHBG levels are high or low? Knowing what's normal for your age and gender can unlock insights into your hormonal health. So on the screen, I'll show you normal ranges for SHBG for men ages 20 to 49 and ages 50 and over. I'll also share for women, non-pregnant ages 20 to 49 and ages 50 and above. So here's what's raising your SHBG and lowering free testosterone. Number one, low carb or low calorie diets. So cutting carbs or calories signals your body to conserve energy, which increases SHBG to balance hormones. Number two, excessive endurance training. So overtraining raises cortisol and alters hormone levels, triggering the liver to produce more SHBG. Number three, liver issues. So liver dysfunction like cirrhosis or hepatitis increases SHBG since the liver produces it. Number four, high estrogen. So elevated estrogen levels from hormonal imbalances stimulate the liver to produce more SHBG, raising its levels. And number five, aging. So as men age, SHBG naturally increases due to lower testosterone and higher estrogen. And number six, stress and poor sleep. So chronic stress and poor sleep raise cortisol, which increases SHBG as your body tries to balance hormones. Want more free testosterone? Lower SHBG with these 6 steps. Number 1, eat enough calories. So consistent caloric deficits raise SHBG, which locks up your testosterone. So you can use our free calorie calculator to find the right intake based on your goal on our website. I'll put the link in the description below. Number 2, eat enough carbs. So low carb diets can spike SHBG. So aim for 20 to 30% of your total calories from whole food carbs like sweet potatoes, rice, oats, and fruits to fuel your workouts. Number 3, lift heavy and train smart. So strength training, especially compound lifts like squats and deadlifts, helps lower SHBG. And you can join me for a free 7-day access to my app and start training with me. I'll put the link down below. Number 4, optimize key nutrients. So supplements like vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium support testosterone and regulate SHBG. And number 5, manage stress and sleep. So high cortisol from stress or poor sleep increases SHBG. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And you can check out my cortisol detox video for more tips. Number 6, limit alcohol or just get rid of it, because alcohol messes with your liver, which regulates SHBG. So limit to 1 to 2 drinks 1 to 2 times per week to keep testosterone in check, or like I said, just get rid of it, like I did. Here are the 8 best testosterone booster supplements to lower SHBG and increase free testosterone, starting with number 8, then moving up to the best based on scientific evidence. Number 8, nettle root. So take 300 to 600 milligrams daily to help lower SHBG and increase free testosterone. Number 7, fenugreek. 500 to 600 milligrams daily can support testosterone and reduce SHBG thanks to its saponins. Number 6, boron. 6 milligrams daily may lower SHBG and increase free testosterone. Number 5, KSM 66 ashwagandha. So 600 milligrams daily can lower SHBG and boost testosterone, especially for those under stress. Number 4, D-aspartic acid. A dose of 2,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily can boost testosterone and lower SHBG by stimulating the luteinizing hormone. Number 3, vitamin D. So supplement with 1,000 up to 5,000 IUs daily to help reduce SHBG and improve testosterone balance, especially if you're deficient. And number 2, magnesium glycinate. So 200 to 400 milligrams daily can reduce SHBG and support testosterone synthesis. And number 1, zinc picolinate. So take 30 to 50 milligrams per day to lower SHBG and boost testosterone, especially in those with zinc deficiencies. And I'll include links to each supplement in the description below. So question of the day, let me know in the comments. Have you ever had your testosterone levels checked? And if so, what are your levels? And if you enjoyed this video, join the Live Lean Transformation 1 million mission by subscribing to our YouTube channel, and also make sure you click the like button down below. I'll be back every week with new content to help you reclaim your youthful energy. And if you're still craving for more, keep it going. Go check out this video right here where I shared the 8 steps I used to double my testosterone levels in my 40s without TRT. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.